This equipment is used to form an oxide film on the surface of stainless steel electric heaters, which is called blackening chemical heat treatment. Its characteristic is that in a furnace filled with high dew-point DX gas of coal gas or propane, after heating and cooling, a layer of uniform solid porous lattice of body-centered cubic Fe3O4 and hexagonal crystal C2O3 film is formed on the surface of the electric heaters. The resistance to high-temperature oxidation of the electric heaters is improved. It is mainly composed of preheating furnace, heating furnace body, heat-resistant steel muffle, water cooling sleeve, transmission device, gas distribution device, furnace adjusting device, system safety device, and so on. After blackening, the surface of the electric heater has no oxidation color or oxidation spots, and the shape and size of the tube fittings are consistent. The furnace has a micro-arch structure, beautiful appearance, and excellent and reliable performance.